Dear veterinarian, welcome to question bank number 4 in the subject of veterinary medicine in our youtube.com Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. Question 1. Content of Eimeria sporulated oocyst. If there is one oocyst, what is its content? The oocyst contain 4 sporocysts and each sporocyst with 2 sporozoites. Total there are 4 sporocysts and 8 sporozoites. Question 2. Raxavac T vaccination of theileriosis. Important question. This Raxavac T contains live zygont of Theileria annulata. It is attenuated. The dose is 3 ml reconstituted vaccine given subcutaneously. Question 3. Fixed rabies virus. What is that? Rabies virus, when repeated passage through a host other than usual host, it loses its disease producing capacity. And this, when repeated passage, the virus becomes fixed and it is used for rabies vaccine production. Question 4. Disease confused with clinical diagnosis of foot and mouth disease. There is one disease which produce almost similar lesions like foot and mouth disease, and that is vesicular stomatitis that mimics foot and mouth disease. Of course, the incidence of vesicular stomatitis is very less, and foot and mouth disease has high incidence prevalence. Question 5. What is subclinical mastitis? Inflammation of mammary gland that does not produce visible gross changes in milk or the udder. So milk and udder looks normal, but quantity and quality of milk will be reduced or affected. Question 6. Indian Penal Code Section 377. What indicates? Answer. Important question. Section 377 verdict retains bestiality as a crime. First, it proves that bestiality is a crime and punishment for that crime. Question 7. Clinical signs of intussusception in cattle. Important question. The important clinical signs are animal passes a little or no feces, feces covered with mucus, or mucus is mixed with feces, or the feces is coated with blood. There is a thick raspberry colored blood, characteristic this color, mixed with scant feces is the characteristic of small intestinal bleeding. Question 8. If there is pharyngeal paralysis due to toxin, and that mostly indicates a case of botulinum. Question 9. Time of colostrum feeding to a calf. Very important question. And you know that maximum absorption of colostrum antibody, that is immunoglobulin, during first 6 to 8 hours after birth. So maximum absorption occurs during this time. So if you feed this colostrum within 6 to 8 hours after birth, it gives the maximum benefit. So this is the feeding time. Question 10. Synonym of colibacillosis. The colibacillosis is graded under two heads. One is enteric colibacillosis, means disease in the intestine, and septicemic colibacillosis means septicemia. The various synonyms are calf's course, it is very common in calf, produce severe diarrhea, septicemia. The diarrhea is white, so it's called as diarrhea white diarrhea, feces is white. Septicemia of the calves. Question 11. Etiology of summer mastitis. Here the word summer mastitis. Now this summer mastitis tend to occur during warmer months, that means summer, in dry cows. Generally, in some of the countries, they allow the cow to dry during summer months because in the summer months, greens are not available. There is scarce of water. So they plan the parturition and the lactation period in such a way that most of the cows become dry during summer months and heifer at a pasture. When the cows are dry or heifer at a pasture and in the summer months, they pay less attention to the mastitis. So treatment is generally not occurring. So during this period, treatment is not given. The dry cows and heifers at a pasture in the summer months, there are all the chances that bacteria causes mastitis. And it is caused by a number of bacteria. But the most common are Streptococcus dysgalaxy and Corynebacterium parasitis. Question 12. Synonym of leptospirosis. There are many synonyms. Sugar cane field disease, sugar pain, Walker's fever, so many like that. Leptospirosis is a disease when there is heavy rain. The organisms survive in water. So this is a disease of water-filled land. Sugarcane also prefers that type of land where there is more water. When there is more water, there is survival of the leptospira. The rat also shed the organism. When rats die in the water, they also shed the organism. And the sugarcane labors, there is injury on the leg, the leptospira enter and that causes leptospirosis. So sugarcane field workers disease. Similarly, rice field workers disease. Rice also require more water. Mud fever, it is a land of mud that contain more water. So more leptospira. Field fever, when the workers are working in the field and they suffer from fever. Canicola fever, name of the organism. 7 days fever. The fever remained for 7 days, nearly about, and spirochetosis. Question 13. Vaccine strains of Newcastle disease, also called as Ranicate disease. Generally, there are three strains used for the vaccination: Lassota, F1, NR2B. Question 14. Characteristic of fever in canine distemper. Important question. When there is canine distemper, the fever is called biphasic fever because the fever occurs in two phases. First there is fever, normal, again fever. So first fever occurs at 3 to 6 days post infection, first infection, and is generally associated with lymphopenia. Then again the canine becomes normal and a second peak occurs that coincide with widespread viremia. So first infection fever, then second peak will be by viremia and also due to secondary bacterial infection. Question 15. Provide the diagnosis when the symptoms are in cattle with ropey salivation, vesicles in mouth, and vesicle in the interdigital space or skin. Important disease, easy to diagnosis, foot and mouth disease. Question 16. Characteristics of cough in equine influenza. The cough is very characteristic. The cough is frequent, harsh, again, occurring again and again, and harsh. Dry cough. It is not a moist cough. Very serious condition. Hacking cough. We'll see later what is hacking cough. And the cough lasts for few weeks. And hacking cough, what is hacking cough? Hacking cough is a small bout of cough at a very short interval or duration. Cough is dry, cough is broken, usually with a rough and a loud sound. This is hacking cough. Question 17. Characteristic post-mortem lesion in swine fever. Important question. There are two characteristic post-mortem lesions. One is turkey egg appearance of kidney. If the clinician remove the capsule, the kidney looks like a turkey egg. And other is the button ulcers in cecum and colon. The ulcers look like a button type of depression. Question 18. The site and lesion of swine pox. This is also a characteristic important question. The lesions are red, 1 centimeter papules. It is just like a spot. And appear on ventral abdomen. The site is important. Ventral abdomen. And they rapidly form circular red-brown scab and which soon become blackened and there is healing. The site is ventral abdomen in swine. Question 19. Foot and mouth disease is a disease of which group? FMD is a disease of cloven-footed animal. Foot are cleft, divided hoof or split hoof into two tones. That is called as cloven-footed. The animals are cattle, deer, pigs, goats and sheep. Question 20. Calf foot vaccination for brucellosis. Important question. Calf foot vaccination to protect the first calf heifer and to avoid interference in brucella testing program. So why there is calf foot vaccination? Generally, the susceptibility of the first calf heifer is more. So to protect that first calf heifer, we prefer a calf food vaccination. And second thing, generally brucellosis testing program is followed when the animals are adult. So when this calf will grow and after 2 to 3 years, there will be no antibody by the vaccination. Otherwise, and this antibody will interfere with the testing program. So calf food vaccination is done. Now what is this calf food vaccination? The word is calf food vaccination. That means vaccination with Brucella abortus strain 19 for heifers between 4 and 10 months old age. That's why it is calf food. 4 to 10 months old age. Question 21. Disease cause abortion in early part of pregnancy in cattle. Which disease? Answer is important question. Trichomoniasis cause early embryonic death or first trimester abortion. So in the first trimester, abortion is due to trichomoniasis. Second trimester, abortion due to vibriosis. And last trimester or third trimester abortion is generally due to brucellosis. This is general conception. Question 22. Diseases caused by canine adenovirus. Important question. Answer is the disease caused by adenovirus are infectious canine hepatitis caused by adenovirus serovar 1 and 2 and respiratory infection by adenovirus serovar 3. Question 23. Important fatal bacterial disease of goat. Very important question. Answer is enterotoxemia. Question 24. Field diagnosis of paratuberculosis. It is very easy. First is the clinical signs. Important symptom is shooting diarrhea. The word shooting means animal has not to put any effort for defecation. Even the animal is walking and there is diarrhea. That is shooting diarrhea. It is refractory. It will not respond to any treatment. So another symptom is refractory diarrhea, chronic diarrhea. And due to this, there is a emaciation. And the field tests are microscopic examination of Jaden-Stein smear of feces. One can see a large number of organisms. Clinician can examine a rectal pinch examination also and stain and see the large number of the organism. And field test is intradermal zonin test. The last question. Large sulfur granules in pus of actinomycosis. In case of actinomycosis, in the pus, the sulfur granules are large. In case of actinobacillosis, the sulfur granules are small. Now, what are these sulfur granules? They are not sulfur, but name is given sulfur. They are characteristic granules. The name is given sulfur granules because they look like sulfur. These granules are filled with progeny bacteria. Many bacteria are there inside. They are colony of the bacteria and it is mixed with inflammatory debris. The color of granules vary in color from white to yellow. and the size 0.25 to 2 millimeter in diameter. It can be easily seen by naked eye. These pus granules are not a sulfur, but they look like sulfur granules. So name is given sulfur granules. They are pus with bacteria and inflammatory damage. Friends, you have observed this video. Requested to share to our veterinary brothers. To support and promote channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing video. Next time I will come with question bank 5 in the subject of veterinary medicine. Thanks.